Hello everyone, today we have a 2018 Ford F-350 Super Duty. That's 6.7 liter Powerstroke V8 Diesel. I apologize, that's a turbo diesel. It's running good, so I'm going to go ahead and take you for a tour. Let's have the LED headlight surrounds. Got tow hooks, fog lights up front. Painted alloy wheels. Have that airbag suspension. Fifth wheel prep. It also has the tailgate step. There we go. It does have sliding back window, tow package, the FX4 off-road package with the skid plates. This also has the Lariat package. It has leather seats. There's a 110 power right there, and two other power supplies. Sure. Keyless entry. I'll give you a shot of the VIN. Does have 3 driver presets. And as we're looking down here, I'll go ahead and cover that up so you can see it. It's 83,686 miles on this vehicle. Come over here and turn this down a little bit. That was distracting. Okay, and then you have your trip computer, your stereo, push to talk, and cruise controls. Come over here, you've got your 2- and 4-wheel drive, your trailering, cooled and heated seats up front. Down in here is your phone charger with 2 USB ports, cup holders, additional stowage right here, and an additional power supply and stowage down in there. There's your 110 right there. And here are your sources for your stereo of AM, FM, Sirius XM, CD, and Bluetooth. There's your navigation screen. That of course is showing up black because I had the lights turned on. There's your phone, so you can connect via Bluetooth, and then your other comfort controls, and then you have dual glove compartments over there. And as you come up above, you're going to have your controls for your power sliding back window, your upfitter switches, and your overhead lights for map reading. That about wraps it up for the interior. This F-350. This vehicle does have a branded title. There's an impact that resulted in damage here in the front and center, and then also in the rear and center. The airbags deployed, but there was no structural damage. So we got it all fixed up. It has passed 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.